Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. In this tutorial, I'll provide a solution for a problem in which you are unable to update your Windows 10 and get an error, something went wrong, try to reopen settings later. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. The first method we are going to do is to reset Windows component. So for that, click on the start menu and type here CMD. Run CMD as an admin mode. Now you need to type here few commands: net, stop, bits, and hit the enter button. Again type net, stop, WUAUSERV and hit the enter button. That's it you have to do. Now your next command is to delete a file. I'll provide the link of all these commands I use over here in the description below so that you can easily copy and paste over here. Hit the enter button. One more thing friends, here you are getting an error like the service is starting or stopping. Please try again later. At your end, it will take some time to stop the service, so kindly be patient. Now the file is also deleted. Now here another thing we are going to do is to re-register your bits and Windows update file. Now let's go ahead and do that. Copy this command and paste in the CMD window and hit the enter button. After that, these are the few run commands that you need to paste in CMD one by one and hit the enter button like I am doing over here. It will take a lot of time, so I have just shown you one or two commands, but at your end make sure you type each and every command over here and after that hit the enter button. Once you are done, we are going to reset WinShock now. Once you have completed all these commands over here provided in this notepad, now type here NETSH space win shock space reset and hit the enter button. Now nextly is we are going to again restart your bit service. So type start net, start bits and hit the enter button. Now type here net, start, WUAUSERV and hit the enter button. These will take few seconds one by one, so just be patient and let the process completed. After that, hit the exit button and restart your PC and check if your problem is resolved or not. If still the problem persists, we are going to proceed with second step. In second step, I have a script. I'll provide you this script in the description below so that you can directly open this page and click on reset Windows update. Download this file and save it in your desktop. Once the file is saved, right click on the file and click on run with PowerShell. It will take few seconds, so just be patient. That's it. After that, again restart your PC and check for the resolution. If somehow still the problem persists, we are going to proceed with last step in which we are going to reset Windows Update Agent. In third step, I'll provide you again another script whose link I'll provide you in the description below so that you can directly click on this link and download this file in your desktop. Once the file is saved, open the file and extract it on your desktop. Now here you need to run two files one by one at a time. First of all, run setup.diag right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on the run button. That's it. Now second file is reset.weng. Again right click on it and click on run as administrator. Make sure you run each command as an administrator only. Now here click on the Y button to proceed, and here these are a few options that are coming at your end. What you need to do is to choose option 2, reset the Windows update component, and hit the enter button. It will take few seconds, so just be patient and let this process works in the background. Once you are done with this, that's it you have to do. Now choose the 0 option and hit the enter button to exit this command and again restart your PC. So that's it about it, friends. If you like my tutorial, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how to videos. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.